What's going on? What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to E-Rebuilds. Today we're bringing you another video, guys. We're actually live from the Nissan dealership. Go ahead and take a look at that sign so you know that it's real. We're at the Nissan dealership, guys. A lot of beautiful cars behind me right now, guys, but today our focus is picking up the parts that we're gonna need to complete this 370Z build, guys. We've already called ahead. We've made sure they had everything we need. We've got it going on, guys. So we're gonna go in here, take a look at everything, make sure it's what we need to go ahead and complete this project, guys. Stay tuned. Don't forget, come on. Don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe, guys. Let's do it. Come on in with us. Is Rob here? Huh? Hey, there he is.
What's that?
Hey.
Partner right there.
This? This right?
The,
Where?
Course support's behind you.
Okay.
The rest of the
All right, guys. So we are inside. We're gonna take a look at the parts that we've just ordered, guys. Looks like this is gonna be one of them right here. They were already waiting on us, guys. It's gonna be some more coming around the corner here.
all that money and 2 robots.
We have the infamous Mr. Rob with us today, our good friend here at Nissan. And this is what we came to pick up, guys. So we're just gonna make sure we've got everything. We will do the unboxing when we get home. We're not gonna unbox it here. Looks like we've got all the small pieces that we need. So let's just get everything home. We're gonna get everything taken out of the boxes and we're gonna see what we have, guys. Stay tuned for the process. Yeah, it's two-tone, but. All right. Oh man, Rob, thank you. You brought it out.
No problem.
All right. So this big box here, guys, is our core support. We got this brand new as well. Got to make sure we do this thing properly, guys. Let's get it all loaded up. All right, guys, there you have it. We got it all in. Let's get back to the shop, get everything unboxed. Let's see what we got, guys. Stay tuned for the process. All right, guys, so we finally made it back to the headquarters. We're actually gonna go ahead and unbox all of the parts that we've picked up, guys. We were able to get a lot of things straight from the Nissan dealership directly. Whatever we were unable to get from the dealership, we did source from other sources online. Everything did come in at the same time. So it's gonna be awesome, guys, to go ahead and unbox everything today. And we're also gonna check in with the man himself, Mr. E-Rebuilds here, and we're gonna see where all of these parts are placed on this vehicle, guys. So we know exactly what we're rebuilding, know exactly what we're doing, and we're heading in the right direction, guys. So stay tuned with us. Don't forget, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get right into it. Let's get this open. All right, so guys, this is the lower cross member. This is gonna go on the bottom of the core support. So let's take a look. All right. Clean and nice. And guys, these things are hard to come by. This particular part right here, we had to order it over because the first one was incorrect. So guys, trust me, make sure it's the right part when you're ordering these subframes. So just going in right here. So this is the lower subframe, correct?
Subframe. So this tie right into the rails. So as you can see, it's just a matter of bolting it up. But this, we gotta bolt this up because I had dropped the subframe, loosen it up so I can pull. So this is just gonna bolt right up here.
Subframe slid right in, guys. I think Mr. E Rebuilds know what he's doing. First part looks like a perfect fit. That subframe went right on into that groove. What do we have next? These are the upper rails.
Yes, this is the upper rails.
Okay, so these are gonna go on the top.
Right.
Okay.
These like those that was damaged right there on the side. So these,
Okay.
this is
For this side.
going right here.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so and that goes right there.
Okay.
Yeah. So the left side is going right here.
These things are sliding right in.
Yes. So this is going right here, like this. Like that, right there.
Okay.
These are a lot of brackets and stuff for the bumper.
Okay.
Right.
So we probably have to put these up when the bumper gets.
Yeah, when the bumper goes on, yeah.
Okay.
This is the bumper going stuff right here.
Okay.
So these brackets for the upper core, the core support. So this is the,
So this big box, guys, this is the core support that we're bringing out of the box right now, guys.
right.
Wow, look at that.
Right. So because of the clamps and stuff on here,
Uh-huh.
it can't really, but this here actually goes on here. So the clamp on here, so
Yeah, so it's
Yeah.
not gonna go all the way
it's
on.
not gonna go all the way on because the clamp right here. So it's actually,
Let's sit it down so we don't break it. Don't want to break it.
so that's going right there. So then these brackets.
So this is gonna go on top of
Yeah,
that.
it's sitting on top of here. Yeah.
Okay. All right, what else do we have? Okay. So this goes where?
This goes to the front. This is a bumper bar.
And what is this bumper bar used for?
Yeah, this is like a support bar. We call it a crossbar.
Okay, so this
Yeah.
is gonna absorb that
Yeah,
impact.
any impact. Yeah. So that's what that's for.
Okay.
All right. Part of the upper core support that goes in here. It goes like this.
So this is pretty much a lot of small pieces.
All
up here in
small
the front.
pieces, yeah, like going like this.
Oh, okay, right here. Okay.
Right. See? It's going like that.
We're figuring it out, guys. We're figuring it out. Putting the pieces to the puzzle.
So this is the right side, right here. So
Got it.
just go over there.
See if I can get this one right, guys. All right, so.
Right, like that.
Ah.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes. So these are all Nissan parts.
Well, Nissan got it right, guys.
So this is sender support right here. Actually, they give a Nissan magazine.
Yeah.
Calendar.
Got some Nissan calendars, guys.
Yeah. So this is a sender support.
So this goes in the middle.
Yeah, this goes in the middle right here. See?
And that's gonna bolt up right there.
Right. And then this comes here and I'll go like this.
And that this side right here,
Right.
it's gonna go like this.
Right.
And they all meet in the middle.
They meet in the middle like that.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
These are the bars for the bumper, the brackets.
Okay.
These are hood locks.
So this is what keeps the hood locked
Locked down,
onto the core support.
And into the core support, yeah.
Okay.
Like this. So this is the retainer that goes under the light. You're gonna buy some aftermarket lights.
Okay. So
So-
this is what holds the light in place.
No, they hold the bumper under the light.
Gotcha. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So these brackets is support brackets that goes under here,
Uh-huh.
left and right.
And then these are also going on
On
the
the
core
core
support.
support, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So a lot of small pieces
A lot
that
of
need to
small,
go
yeah.
on the core
On
support.
the core support, yes.
We're learning
Small
something here,
pieces.
guys. We're learning. We're learning.
This is the oil power steering pump that damaged right here.
Oh, let me take this a little bit closer so
Yes.
they can see. Guys, this right here was damaged. Right here on that edge, it was cracked. So we did have to replace this, guys.
Right, so this is it.
Let's put that old one down.
So this is a new pump,
Wow, brand new.
brand new. So then you put that on, and then you got the belt.
So we got our pump, guys. Brand new belt from Nissan, guys. You saw it here first.
So
Okay, so that's for our windshield washer.
windshield washer, yeah.
Okay,
So-
that's gonna go over down the
Right.
side.
Right. So the radiator and condenser, the dealer,
He has to order that.
yeah,
for
he
us.
got to order that, yeah.
Then we just got some, a few other small things.
Other small stuff, yes, to come. And then, you know, you already got the hood hinges right there. It just to get the aftermarket lights, aftermarket bumper, front and rear.
Exactly.
You're ready to rock and roll.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're getting somewhere.
Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely.
Okay. All
Definitely.
right. All right.
This was the biggest hold up, the parts.
Got it. Got it.
Now you can move full speed ahead right now.
Exactly. So from what you can see here, does it look like we've got everything? Because this is our first time checking it. So just let me know if I did a good job ordering.
Well, you
know
did
what I
a
mean?
very good job because this is pretty much, at this point, we couldn't go no further without these parts.
Okay.
So that was an awesome job you did by ordering all these parts, and they're correct. So we don't gotta worry
back
about
and
go back
forth,
and forth, and stuff.
returning and this and that.
Yeah. So it's time now for me to get to work.
You heard that, guys.
Yeah.
I got my part out of the way. We did the ordering. We got all the parts here. Now we have to watch this thing be put back together the right way, guys. So don't forget, stay tuned with us, guys. What else do you have to say to the people about this one?
Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So got some awesome things coming to the channel, guys.
Don't forget, he just said it, but I'm going to say it again. Like, comment, share, subscribe. E-Rebuilds, we're out.